Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use some product function as horizontal lookup function, HLookup. Okay. So here what I have here is two sets of data. One is the product, okay, and its stock here. Okay. So my objective is to find the uh, uh, find the stock for a given product. Okay, so I will use the horizontal lookup, and then I will explain to you how it can be done using some product function. Okay, first I will use the horizontal lookup. Okay, so what is the product I'm going to give? Product is probably I'll, for time being I say it is the Alice mutton, and I want the stock. Okay, so see, product is Alice mutton. I want the stock, which is nothing but this. Okay, so how to do that using H lookup? Okay, let's do it. H lookup looks for a value in the top row of a table or array of values and returns the value the same column from a row you specify. Okay, lookup value. Which value you want to look up? I want to look up the Alice mutton. Okay, this cell value. And where do you want to look up? I want to look up it in the array. Okay, this is my data array. Okay, about up to Z, totally it is 25 letters, 25 data, 25 products. Okay, then what is the row index number you want to return? I'm looking up this name in this array, the products and stock. Okay, what is the row index number I want to return, which is nothing but the stock, which is the second row, not this second. Out of these two data which we highlighted in the table array, this is the second row. And how do you want the match to be done? Approximate match or exact match? I want to see exactly the name matches. And close. Now enter 777. Okay, this is the way horizontal lookup helps us to find out the stock from the data. Okay, so now what I will do, I will change this one to list box. Okay, go to data validation, list. The source is nothing but this full set of names. Okay, the full set of product names. Okay, now you can see here this become the list box, so you can select Boston crab meat automatically using the Z formula, Z lookup. It shows the stock. Okay, Hippo coffee 466, anisette syrup 418, and so on. Okay, now I'm going to use the same thing in the SumProduct. Okay, the product and stock. For time being I will put a first product name. Okay, how to do this? What I am doing here is some product. Okay, so for the sum product, what I'm going to do, I want to compare the product names. Okay, this product names with I compare and check whether it is the cell name, given cell product name, which is the given name is Alice Mutton. In this case it is the cell B11. Okay, once I compare, what I will get is I will get a series or array of true and false. Okay, this true and false, I don't want to work with just true and false. I want to change it to true as 1 and false as 0. How can I do that? I will introduce the unary operator. Okay, using the unary operator, this true false becomes 0 and 1s. So if this name exists, only that column, that value will have the value 1, other values have 0. So if I multiply that 1 with the respective stock, I will automatically get only stock value of the given name, and some others become 0. So if I sum it up, then only I will get the Alice Mutton stock. Okay, so enter. You can see here it also gives the stock 777 for Alice Mutton. Okay, so what I will do, I will change this one also. Hi, now I will show to you how to use it manually, how this SumProduct function works. Okay, first I will do is I will check this with the given product. Okay, it's not this is aniseed syrup, so it is false. Aniseed syrup, it has to be true, because you are shifting the formula. You must be very careful. Put a $sign here, otherwise it shifts relatively. I don't want relative shift. I always check the B11 cell. Okay, so similarly for all products, the whole row. Okay, now this 0, true and false, I make it to 0 and 1s. How to do that? Introduce a double unary operator. False is 0, true is 1. So you can see only that product which you have given name, that will become 1, others become 0. So this product, if you have the product of this row, this column and this cell, what you will have, equal to this into the respective condition row. Okay, this will give you only the, for aniseed syrup it is 418, the others are 0. If it becomes Alice Mutton, okay, first I will check the, okay, so you see for this, only for this product it is 418. If it is, this is Alice Mutton, then what is happening? Let's see. Only this one will become 1, the others become 0. So only for Alice Mutton the product will be 777, which is the stock. Okay, so now you just add the products, the what you will get. All the product, which is nothing but 777, which is the desired result for the Alice Mutton's stock. Okay, this is the way this sum product function works. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. The similar video is I already uploaded for VLOOKUP. Both of them are same, only thing is this is in horizontal, that is in vertical. Okay, you can watch that video to understand more about how to use some product as VLOOKUP. This video is about how to use some product as HLOOKUP. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and leave your comments. If you like it, please give a like. Also please subscribe to my channel. This is encouragement for me to upload more videos like this. Okay, and God bless you.